Guys, once again, welcome back to Craftastic Forever, and today I've got that special exclusive, which if you remember I've mentioned before. I'm gonna unbox a slime art kit. This is my first time making slime for real, you guys, so I'm super excited by seeing other YouTubers as well. So let's get started. So I'm gonna open this box first and show you the insides. Okay, wow, this thing is literally exploding with stuff right now. I'm so excited and like so surprised. I can't even say anything right now. Anyways, so this kit costed me about 380 rupees if you take it in India, and you get the detailed instructions. You can pause the video to read the whole thing if you like. Then you get 3 mixing bowls, I guess, a measurement cup, 4 containers with lids as well, and 2 glue bottles. You also get a powdered activator, which looks like a lot to me, so it's really good in quantity. You also get 2 pipettes and mixing stirring sticks, popsicle sticks, and 6 neon colors. So let's get started by making our slime. Okay, so I'm thinking I want to make the colored slime, which will be purple for me. I really like that color, that's why. So I'll read the instructions and we'll start the procedure really quick. Okay, so first step, it says to take about 100 ml of water and heat it for 20 to 30 seconds. But since I'm also a crafter and I know a lot by seeing other videos, yeah, so a lot of it goes to waste if you take 100 ml of water and add just 2 grams of the activator. So I'm gonna do is just take 50 ml and add 1 gram of the activator. So let me do that quick. Okay, so I've got my hot water here. I'm gonna add my activator. Now I've added the amount of activator and you're gonna mix it, and now you gotta do is keep it up aside for 10 to 20 minutes, and until then we'll prepare the glue mixture as well, like this. Now we're gonna do is add 10 ml of glue and 20 ml of water in the beaker. And now we're gonna do is stir this mixture of water and glue super fast for a few seconds, and we're gonna do is keep this as well for 10 to 20 minutes to set, and then we're gonna do the next things. Okay, so now my solutions are set. Let me just add some color into mine and we'll try making it. So I made 2 different colors because I really like those. Now we're gonna do is mix 4 ml each into both the colors to make the slime using this pipette. Now I added the activator and we're gonna mix it. It's like so. Oh, it's already forming. So we're gonna start mixing it to get the color we want. So, and I'm gonna make both and show you.